At Trailside Elementary Library, children of various ethnicities gather eagerly around Mrs. Harper, the warm librarian with blonde hair and bright glasses. She holds up a book adorned with red, white, and blue, the colors of the United States flag. The children's eyes sparkle as she opens to a page showing fireworks bursting brilliantly over the Statue of Liberty. Mrs. Harper explains, "Every July 4th, we celebrate the Declaration of Independence. 250 years ago, brave leaders declared freedom for all. Fireworks became a symbol of that freedom, lighting up the night sky, reminding us of courage, hope, and adventure." She asks, "What do you feel when you see fireworks?" A boy replies, "Proud." A girl adds, "Excited and free." Mrs. Harper smiles and shares how Americans of all ages, readers, leaders, families, gather to watch stars explode in color, sing patriotic songs, and enjoy